Hi friends, I'm Amanda. Have you ever wanted to go far, far away? Well, we can! At least in our imaginations we can. With my magic train! If you could visit anyone in the world, who would you go see? That sounds like fun. I love to daydream about all the places I could have gone. Think about all the places we can go. Let's plan a trip. I've made pictures of all the places I want to go. But wow, it's so dark in here. Should I open the curtain or turn on the lamp? That's much better. Now let's plan that trip. There are 3 places I want to go on my magic train today. First, I want to see the Eiffel Tower. Where can I do that? We'll go to Paris first on the magic train. It looks like a ticket to Paris costs 2 coins. Let's see what I have in my piggy bank. What's the best way to open this piggy bank? I can pull out the plug, or I can smash it! You're no fun. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 coins. That's more than enough for our first stop. We just need to take away 2 coins. Can you count them? The next place I want to go is very special because it makes me think of our friend Gretchen over there. Let's go to the Isle of Dead Dolls. Where can I find that? Our next stop is Mexico City. A ticket to Mexico City on my magic train costs 3 coins. Anyway, that ticket cost 3 coins, so let's take those away from what we have. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, that's all our coins. And I still have one more place I want to visit. We need some more money. What are we going to do? I can sell one of these for some coins. Which one do you think will get us the most coins? Let's sell Funny Mr. Rooster. Someone gave this to me when I was feeling really bad and scared, and it made me laugh. I hope he can go make someone else laugh. Wow, I got 3 coins for Mr. Rooster. Okay, let's see how much our next destination costs. I love learning about history on my trips. Where can I take a tour and learn about Jack the Ripper? We're going to London! A ticket to London is 4 coins, and I only have 3. I don't know where I'm going to get more coins for my trip. I might as well not even go anywhere. Wait a minute. I have a coin in my pocket. Now I have 4. That's enough for our last stop. No, no, no! Go away! Get this weirdo out of here! No, no, no! He ate one of my coins! I want to go on my trip! Where can I find more coins now? Wow, you're smart. There's always all kinds of stuff in the sofa cushions. Oh, hey, it's time to catch my train. This is fun, I guess, but I wish I really could go see the world. It gets awfully lonely in here at night. There's a legend that there is a special toy hidden deep in these woods. It makes me think about what... Okay, which toothbrush do you think I know which one you like. The blue one. How did you get... Who even are you? Go away! We shouldn't talk about them. Hi, I'm Amanda. Hi, I'm Amanda. Hi, friends. You didn't help me at all. So you'd better find something good for me. But I guess we all get a little scared at night, right? What are you afraid of?